Good morning, children. Before starting the videos for today, just I want to make a clarification over here. But this is the new edited book by NCERT. In these books, there is no theory of plate tectonic, and formation of Himalayan mountains and northern plains. These topics are deleted from this chapter in new edited book, as well as per the last year 2019-20 syllabus given by the NCERT CBSE. Okay, so the children, those who are having old books, or if they are having plate tectonic theory and formation of Himalayan mountain and northern plains or Gondwana land, they will not get confused. That topics are not there in your syllabus now, so that is why I am also going to start with physiographic divisions of India directly. Okay, thank you. Good morning, children. Today we will start with the second chapter of geography, that is physical features of India. The name of the chapter you can see on your screens. And today we will discuss about introduction of this chapter, the major physiographic divisions of India, the Himalayan mountains and the northern plains. Children, as you know that India is a vast country and is having varied landforms. Different kinds of landforms we find in India itself, which are present on earth anywhere, like mountains, like plains, deserts, plateaus and islands. All such landforms are the part of Indian subcontinent. It is also one of the unique feature about the India's physical features, that each each landform represents variation and is unique in itself. Like peninsular plateau, that is the most ancient landmass present on the earth's surface. This peninsular plateau, actually it was the part of oldest landmass of the earth, that was the Gondwana land, and from that it was drifted and is located towards the south of India, that is known as the peninsular India or peninsular plateau. It was supposed to be one of the most stable land block. Yes, peninsular plateau, that is the most stable land block. Stable means because it is made up of igneous and metamorphic rock, and that is why there is no landsliding. Okay, so this is one of the stable land block. Next, the Himalayas and the northern plains are the most recent landforms. The Himalayan mountains and the northern plains are having the same geological age, because they were formed in during the same period of time. So most recent landforms means young type of landforms. From the viewpoint of geology, Himalayan mountains form an unstable zone. As per the geology, Himalayan mountains are unstable zone because they are made up of sedimentary rocks. So that is why this is very unstable zone, and most of the time all types of landsliding and earthquakes and such type of disasters we can find in in this zone. The whole mountain system of Himalaya represents a very youthful topography with high peaks, deep valleys and fast flowing rivers. Himalayan mountains are one of the young mountains. They are considered one of the young mountain, and they are the fold mountain also. They are having high peaks, deep valleys and fast flowing rivers. Most of the rivers originate from Himalayan mountains, like Ganga, Yamuna, Indus. You have heard about Brahmaputra. So all these rivers are the Himalayan rivers and originate from this mountain itself. So all these rivers are perennial, and throughout the year these rivers flow with high speed. Now the northern plains basically are formed of alluvial deposits brought by the rivers flow through this region, like Ganga, like Brahmaputra, like Indus and their tributaries. And it is one of the most fertile land of the earth, land of the India. Okay. The peninsular plateau is composed of igneous and metamorphic rocks with gently rising hills and wide valleys. As already I told you that it is peninsular plateau is made up of igneous and metamorphic rock. That is why it is one of the stable land block, and here gentle high hills or the wide valleys are found in this region. So in this way it display that India's land features are unique in itself and are display variation in their composition, in their formation and their in their utility also. Okay, and each one of is complement for another.